I asked you a question.
No, sir.
Then shut up.
That judge heard cursing at someone in a Seminole County courtroom now explains why he did it. This outburst happened back in 2022. He was suspended, but it wasn't the only incident.
No, today Judge Wayne Culver was in the hot seat after months of waiting to answer to these videos. Fox 35's Randy Hildreth is joining us live tonight in Sanford. Randy, that judge apologized today.
Yeah, good evening to you both. And he told the state agency investigating him that he would never do that again. He says at the time he was going through some personal issues, but some say he's a judge. He's held to a higher standard, and that is no excuse for his behavior.
And I didn't say the right things, and I did not conduct myself in the proper way.
Judge Wayne Culver had a lot of explaining to do today about this outburst in his courtroom.
Sir, I'm doing something. Can you shut up and sit down?
Kevin Newton walked into his courtroom, tried to find a seat, and caught Judge Culver's wrath.
You want to be held in contempt and go to jail? I asked you a question.
No, sir.
An independent state agency is looking into allegations of judicial misconduct.
All of this behavior is egregious, and the public is watching.
The attorney for the commission argued Culver's behavior was out of line. He also pointed to a pattern of concerning behavior. They argued in other cases, Culver didn't follow proper protocol in issuing rulings of contempt of court, issued the wrong type of contempt of court ruling, and in one case, didn't let a defendant know he could appeal the ruling.
Showed that Judge Culver's behavior fell very far below the standard set.
Judge Culver's attorney agreed his client's actions were out of line, but he argued, protocol aside, at least one of the defendants deserved it. He says Judge Culver found a man in contempt of court in January 2022 when the defendant kept antagonizing the alleged victim and used a racial slur towards the judge.
I'm going to hold you in contempt for calling the court, and I'm going to give you consecutive 100. I'm going to give you another contempt charge, another 179 days consecutive.
We agree that Judge Culver violated some of the rules in some of the situations, not all, as has been alleged.
Culver's attorney says the judge was stressed at the time because his dad was sick. He called on several witnesses who testified Culver's actions were a slip-up and not his true character.
It's inexcusable, but out of character.
Now, Culver says that he has taken therapy, gone to therapy, taken anger management classes since these incidents happened. Now, everyone will be back in court tomorrow to determine what's next for this judge. Reporting live this evening, Randy Hildreth, Fox 35 News.